all my songs are very old, what I have learned many, many years ago. And my teacher, this is a song which I learned in school. She's a wonderful teacher. She's a Tamilian. And so the transliteration of Telugu song, Tyagaraja's song, I recently learned after joining Crooners that when you go and look at the internet, it is quite different. There are so many places where it is different. Because the pa and ba, for example, Varamrudu Bhasha. My teacher taught me as Varamrudu Bhasha. So I have been singing like, I mean, I have never sung in public or anything, but I always used to hum it like that. Like that, even the starting of the song, it is Tavadas Soham. I had learnt it as Tavata Shokam. And the song is so sad, I also thought it was
Shokam.
Then when I went and checked with the internet, my God, and when you change these words, it's very hard, especially if it is entrenched in your
Correct.
psyche. That this is how it is very difficult to change. So that was what I said, practice. Okay, let me sing. It's a nice song. It's some Punagavarali Raga.
Nice.
तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं दाशरथे वरमृदुभाषा विरहितदोषा वरमृदुभाषा विरहितदोषा नरवरवे दाशरथे वरमृदुपाशा भाषा विरहितदोषा तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं दाशरथे सरसिजनेत्रा परमपवित्रा सुरपतिमित्रा दाशरथे निन्नु कोरितिरा निरुपमसूरा निन्नु कोरितिरा निरुपमसूरा नन्नेलुकोरा दाशरथे नन्नेलुकोरा दाशरथे तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं दाशरथे धरणी वंटी दैवमूले गंटी चरणनु कोंटी दाशरथे आगम विनुता त्याग विरहिता आगम विनुता राग विरहिता त्यागराजनुता दाशरथे त्यागराजनुता दाशरथे तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं तव दासोऽहं दाशरथे.
Beautiful.